Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create modern triangle business infographic design in Adobe InDesign. Draw a ellipse or a circle shape. Use direct selection tool shortcut A to select anchor point. Select anchor point and double click on scale tool. Scale X 0%. Again, select anchor point and double click on scale tool. Scale X 0%. Draw an oval shape. Align panel. Shift F7. Select both shapes and align horizontal centers from Align panel. Select both shapes and subtract from Pathfinder panel. Copy Ctrl C and paste in place Alt Shift Ctrl V. Use Rotate tool to set center point. 120° from main panel. 240° from main panel. Select shapes and align bottom edges from Align panel. Group Ctrl G. Select both shapes and align horizontal centers from Align panel. You can give different gradient fill colors. Finally, your triangle infographic template is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create infographic design in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.